Welcome to Hive Tales, your go-to channel for all things honey. In today's video, we're diving into the world of sweet delights and exploring the wonders of honey as a natural sweetener in recipes and beverages. So if you're a food enthusiast or just looking to satisfy your sweet tooth in a healthier way, stick around because we've got some sweet surprises in store for you. Honey's history and versatility. Before we jump into the recipes, let's take a moment to appreciate the rich history of honey. Dating back thousands of years, honey has been cherished by cultures worldwide for its remarkable sweetness and healing properties. From ancient Egypt to the Mayan civilization, honey has left its sweet mark. Honey isn't just sweet, it's also incredibly versatile. It comes in various flavors, textures, and colors, depending on the flowers bees collect nectar from. You've got your classic clover honey, the robust flavor of buckwheat honey, and even the rare and luxurious manuka honey. Honey's health benefits. Now here's the buzz on honey's health benefits. Unlike refined sugar, honey is a natural sweetener packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. It can soothe a sore throat, act as a natural cough suppressant, and even help with allergies when consumed locally sourced. Let's get cooking! Our first sweet creation is a mouth-watering honey-glazed salmon. Start by mixing honey, soy sauce, and minced garlic to create a delectable marinade. Coat your salmon fillets with this mixture and let them soak up the flavors for about 30 minutes. Then simply grill or bake until you achieve that perfect caramelized glaze. The result? A tantalizingly sweet and savory dish that will leave your taste buds singing. Honey in beverages. Honey doesn't stop at recipes, it's also an exceptional addition to beverages. Say hello to the Honey Lavender Lemonade. In a pitcher, combine fresh lemon juice, honey, and a few drops of lavender extract. Mix it all up with some chilled water and ice, and you've got yourself a refreshingly sweet and aromatic drink. Perfect for a sunny day, a sweet twist on breakfast. Now, let's sweeten up your mornings with honeyed Greek yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt with honey and your favorite fruits, like strawberries and blueberries. Sprinkle some granola for that delightful crunch, and voila! You've got a breakfast treat that's both nutritious and satisfying. Honey as a baking buddy. Honey can be your best friend in the kitchen, especially when it comes to baking. Our honey oatmeal cookies are a must-try. Mix together honey, butter, oats, and a hint of cinnamon. Roll the dough into small balls and bake until golden brown. These cookies strike the perfect balance between sweet and wholesome, making them a favorite for all ages. International honey delights. Honey's versatility transcends borders, making it a star ingredient in global cuisine. Take baklava, for example, a sweet Middle Eastern pastry layered with honey and nuts. Its irresistible sweetness and flaky texture will transport your taste buds to far-off lands. Dessert lovers, you're in for a treat. Ever heard of honey poached pears? It's a simple yet elegant dessert. Poach ripe pears in a mixture of honey, cinnamon, and a splash of white wine until they're tender and infused with honey's goodness. Serve them with a dollop of vanilla ice cream, and you've got a dessert fit for royalty. DIY Honey Infusions. Want to take your honey game to the next level? Try making your own honey infusions. Whether it's adding vanilla beans for a rich flavor or infusing with herbs like rosemary or thyme for a savory twist, the possibilities are endless. Experiment and create your signature honey blend to elevate your culinary adventures. As we wrap up our honey-filled journey, remember that honey is more than just a sweetener. It's a golden elixir of nature. Its versatility, health benefits, and culinary magic make it a must-have in every kitchen. So go ahead, explore, and embrace the world of honey in your recipes and beverages. Thanks for joining us on Hive Tales. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more delicious honey-infused creations, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay updated with our sweet adventures. And as always, share your honey-inspired dishes and experiences in the comments below. Until next time, happy cooking, honey enthusiasts.